hella sun out here, hella sun. Oh yes, sir. Look at what we got here. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, would you look at that? Listen, we will be unboxing this, but I gotta handle something first. So I'm gonna catch y'all in just a second. Maybe not just a second. I got some business to run right quick. We're gonna come back and unbox these, cause I got a surprise for you.
So wait, you a YouTuber or something?
Yeah. No cap. No rap cap. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drunk in this clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit it like golf ball. I can't do this without y'all. Call a loss, I go loco. I go back to that trap house. Braided bricks and that bells down. Cashing in and I cash out. Turn it to a stash house. I ain't taking no handout. Money calling on men route. They been down.
Watch this, come on. Slide. Hey. Yo, YouTube. What it do, baby? Welcome back to another video. If you read the title, you already know what's going on. It's Yeezy time. Now look, I got these shoes a couple days ago, but been a little bit busy. So I'm a little late with the drop, but we're gonna spice up the video for y'all. Hey, I don't get to see the shoes anyway. So in today's video, we got the unboxing of the Yeezy Adidas. Wow. In today's video, we got the unboxing of the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 ONYX, baby. I'm excited to open these. These probably gonna be my new favorite pair of shoes. I got my first pair of Yeezy not too long ago. Maybe a few months ago, bro. Like, not the slides, which y'all seen in the video. Check that out if you ain't watched it yet. Not the slides, but an actual pair of Yeezys, which I'm gonna show y'all in this. And they a game changer, bro. They comfy as hell, so. I ain't even gonna get to talking about that. We gonna go straight into these. Let's get it. Woo! Oh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Alright, I might have to bring y'all a little bit closer. We might be a little too far away. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Hold up. A little too far. Come here. Come a little closer. Let me bring you in. Let me bring you in. Yeah, come to Papa. There we go. These are the Yeezy 350 V2. My camera about to die. How is that possible? But hey, we're gonna talk about the shoes for a little bit. Hopefully my camera don't die on me and cut us out. But these are the Yeezy 350 V2 ONYXs, bro. I tried to get these and the bones that just came out. Y'all let me know in the comments if they a cop or drop. They definitely a cop to keep. I'm not getting rid of these. These is hard. They got the little translucent sole right there so you can see the boost in it a little bit. And they got the stripe right there too. They come with black shoestrings. We gonna sauce these up, you feel me? Only black shoestrings, that's it. That's all they come with. Hold up, let me charge my camera real quick because it's trying to finesse me. I'll be back. Alright y'all, we back. I had to charge the camera for a little bit, but it's cool. I don't remember where we left off, so we're just gonna take off from the top. Alright. Anyways, these are the Yeezy 350 V2 ONYXs that just released not too long ago. Along with the bones. Now I try to get the bones, which is just an all-white pair of these with some minor tweaks and differences, but couldn't land it. It's all good. Can't get them all, but I got these. We're just gonna talk a little bit about the shoe. Again, they got the translucent sole right here, so you can see the boost in there, and that's where all the comfort comes from. Like Kanye, I know the Kardashians and took your soul, whatever they done did. But you was on the song with these shoes, and so was Adidas. They come with just black laces. That's all they come with. Black laces, black shoestrings. That's pretty much it right there. These Yeezys got a pull tab right here that y'all can see, which all Yeezys don't come with. And I thought I wouldn't like it, but I actually do like it. Let me show y'all the ones that. Okay. For example, these Yeezys, they don't have no pull tab there, so I'm just pulling right here. But these do. Got a pull tab right here. The infamous 3 stripes right there. That's what Adidas do when we focus. Little 3 stripes on the inside. I can see in there's a little globe on this one, and then just regular Yeezy or Adidas sign. Regular Adidas sign on this one. Now the globe actually stands for recycling, which actually these are made from recycled materials. Recycled materials. I have no idea about that. Hence the tag. They'll tell you. These are solid. Definitely a keep for me. Y'all let me know in the comments if they a copper drop. Should I resell them? Because they hold the value. I like the stitching. There's the stitching there. Go all the way up the tongue. And then it continues down the back right there. But yeah, these are the Yeezy 350 ONYXs. You don't really need no protectors in here because they won't crease on you. For real. They will not crease. Which is one of my favorite parts about the Yeezys, other than the comfort in it. Are we focusing? Other than the comfort of the shoes, they are pretty much indestructible. And these ain't all white, so you ain't gonna get no yellowing down there or nothing. You just got an all black pair of shoes. Actually pretty stylish and very, very comfortable. So I will be wearing them to work. Without further ado, we gonna go on to the on foot review. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that, and let me know if y'all want more of these unboxing videos, because I'm becoming a sneakerhead again, and I'm starting to get a bunch of sneakers. Like this camera sitting on a box of J's that I can't fit, so somebody need to buy them or size swap me. They're 12. They're 12. I need 11 and a half. But yo, appreciate y'all for stopping in. Stay tuned for the on foot review. We about to get litty, boy. I'm out.
They ain't hear me when I had no shoes. Don't you act so ridiculous. I'm a real street nigga, keep your internet. Got a real bad hoe in my interest. Don't got time for love, I just hit and quit. I got time now, she gon' buzz down. I'm some line out, Russia Moscow. I'm a different guy now. No more put downs, I done made a new sound. I run my whole town, they just wanna see me loose. Different shorty every night, send me notes. Boarding on a different flight, real big moves. Yeah, I ride with you, but less real big shoes. But this money never take the pain away. Started acting easy, put them J's away. Feelings always cold because they fade away. Remember when they told me they was here to stay. Forget all these hoes cause they tricky. I don't want a kids, keep your hickey. Killing people know you was with me. Ignorance is bliss in my city. Drama for the hoes in the midi. Comments for the rolls filled with 20s. Sipping on Patron, get a lady. This what niggas on till they 50. I'm not gonna go that way. See some niggas told you was with it. Right and get exposed, showing pity. Seen a nigga that a day, living for no reason. Still fighting with the demons. Out until the morning, pop out in the evening. This ain't what you want, so tell me what you needed. I just can't stunt, pull up fast, the engine screeching. Big body face, Rolls Royce. When they see me, they gon' make noise. I didn't do this for the fame, but when you see me scream my name, lot of people I ain't hold on to. Lot of niggas think I owe them to. Family members wanna act brand new. They ain't hear me when I had no shoes. Don't you act so ridiculous. I'm a real street nigga, keep your internet. Got a real bad hoe in my interest. Don't got time for love, I just hit and quit. I got time now, she gon' buzz down. I'm some line out, Russia Moscow. I'm a different guy now. No more put downs, I done made a new sound. I run my whole town, they just wanna see me lose. Different shorty every night.
Bye, have a great time.